Yo, what's up, guys? I'm playing Chicken Gun and I'm just getting straight into it. I'm really good at this game at level 70, I think. And what is that weird noise? Okay, round 2 then. Okay. Oh, is that a fireball? You just shot a fireball at me. Go on this side up there. Gotta go on this side. Kill that dude. Man, this is so easy. He was enemy. Come on. Bing bong. Too easy. Okay. I just flipping died. Fucking. Okay. Hold on, I'm going here. Okay. What is he doing to that computer? He's gonna break it. What the heck? Okay. Whoa. Oh, okay. Bruh, how could I even... How did he get behind me? Bing bong. I'm dead. I won. Oh my gosh. Shoot. Who's hitting me? He's killing me. Bing bong. Okay, I just died. Why? Okay, go back over here. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Somebody on that side. Alright, let's get in their house. So whenever they spawn, there's one right there. Kill him. Yeah. The more people I kill, the more money I get. Ooh, this makes you fly. I like this. Now I can fly, but I don't really want to. I don't know what to do. So, okay. Bruh, how do you keep getting behind me? Guys, we'll be right back. I had to go to the bathroom real quick, and then they kicked me out of the game, so I had to go to another game. So, let's do this. It's too easy. He wide open. Okay, I killed. How does this keep happening? Keep killing each other at the same time. Oh, that's a whole squad. There's monsters. Bro, it's a robot. Get out of the... Okay, I couldn't move. I couldn't get out of the way. Kill him. Where's he on our side? I'm finna go on this side so I can. Get in there. So kill all of you. Yeah. Except for you, okay. Gotta get this dude. Okay. What's all these monsters? They're easy to kill. Whoa. Look at all these fat teddies. Should I have said... Okay, I'm sorry, you're not. Okay. Those teddies are tough. I'm gonna get away from them because you can't even. They're unkillable, dude. Look at them. Dude. Oh, hold on. Get these guys. Why? Okay, there's another teddy. Please don't kill me. Yeah, I'm dead. Oh, never mind. That guy's got him. Okay. Most dude. Hey, I'm right here. Oh my gosh, so dumb. Hey, can I get you? Oh, what is he doing? Bruh. Next time I'll get in the base. I'll try to kill him. Okay. Let's get it. Alright, this dude. Okay. Look at this dude. Just standing there. I could stay right here just in case they spawn. I could kill him and get my money, babies. Baby. Okay, I'm just gonna wait right here. Yep. This dude have VRs on? He have VRs? Yep, right there. Oh, that's cool. I should buy some VRs on this game. It looks cool. I kind of like my eyes better. Okay, I'll see you later then. I'm not dealing with that robot. Alright, I'm done then. Like and subscribe for part 2 of Chicken Gun. See you later.